There's the record button. Alright, welcome back to another YouTube video. Yeah, beautiful morning here in Vancouver. Just got up, had my first meal. I'm getting some vitamin D on the patio. And I'm gonna head to the gym. It's gonna be a gun run today. Ty's gonna meet me there. He's taking care of the workout filming for me, whatever the fuck you wanna call it. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment, follow me on Instagram, link in that right there. All my links down below. And yeah, I'll catch you guys at the gym. Peace.
So I'll be your
Smashed some arms this morning. Pre-workout of choice, raw essential pre with a scoop of raw pump, all mixed up in here. I'm already done, so I'm gonna get training. Got a little sip left, and I'll see you guys on the floor.
I'm gonna cock my 9 mother. I'm gonna cock my 9. I'm gonna cock my 9 mother. I'm gonna cock my 9. I'm gonna cock my 9 mother. I'm gonna cock my 9 mother. I'm gonna cock my 9. I'm gonna cock my 9 mother. I'm gonna cock my 9. I'ma cock my nine. Mother. I'ma cock my nine. I'ma cock my nine. I'ma cock my nine. Mother. I'ma cock my nine.
What? No, that's it. That's all she wrote. Yeah, that's my arm day. 3 tries, 3 buys. We're pumped. We're good. Whew. More like swollen. When you got an arm pump, it looks swollen. Yeah. Whew. Me?
No.
No? You can't.
You know I am.
Alright. So, just got back from the gym. Hammered a little arm day. Make my post-workout meal. Which consists of cream of rice, almond butter, a banana. Don't have banana today. So I put blueberries in. If you watch this ditto. Yep, I did that. 35 grams of honey. That's okay, we're calling it. That's good enough. Like, are you fucking kidding me? Yeah. Fucking, I'm gonna waste all this honey. I need to let it drip off the spoon into there. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like. Post-workout. Cream of rice, blueberries, almond butter, honey, shit mix. Mix it all up. Really fucking good. You guys want to know the cream of rice I use? Flavor Gang, blueberry flavored. They have a chocolate brownie one too. Fucking gas. I'm gonna bring this and we are going grocery shopping and you guys are gonna tag along. So.
Yeah. Oh.
Car accident. Alright, first stop. Costco. On a Saturday. Big mistake. It's like everything's fucking free here on that day. So it's just an absolute shit show for parking, lineups, everything. But Saturdays are only day off work, so that's when we do everything. I'm gonna guess.
Quick fit check. Young LA. Leggings. Some nice J's. Fresh kicks. Look at Alex's fit check. Got a nice raw tee, red shorts, red shoes.
Alright, we are at Costco buying protein. I'm gonna make a petition so people need licenses to drive shopping carts or push shopping carts around in Costco because it's fucking horrendous. Holy smokes. The people that can't operate a shopping cart are the same ones that can't drive on the road. The fact that people still wear fucking masks blows my mind. Somewhere in here. Thank you. Alright, we're making a little pit stop at McDick's. Em just wanted an ice cream cone. So yeah, we just came to get her some ice cream. Fun fact, I haven't ate McDonald's in, I actually forgot count, but I'm gonna say probably close to like 7 or 8 years now. I haven't had McDonald's. Other than ice cream, I've had like a McFlurry. So I guess that counts. But food-wise, I haven't ate fucking not even a fry. Which is just good, because that shit sucks balls. Don't eat there. Fucking gross. Some card there.
Perfect, have a good day.
You too. I keep forgetting that McDonald's has like 2 windows. $15.80? What kind of ice cream cone did you get? It's an odd looking ice cream
Why
cone.
did I get 2 6-piece?
Why did you got 2? No, it's 1.
I have 2. That's why it was $15.
I thought you got an ice cream cone.
Why the fuck did I get 12 chicken nuggets? I'm literally throwing one out of the window right now. I'm fucking angry. I want a refund.
Okay, wait, let's go to the container. So
I want a literal refund. I'm emailing McDonald's. I'm so angry. I just paid $15.
Okay, go. You can hit it.
What do you mean $13 on chicken nuggets?
Right
well,
there.
now I have to eat them. It was supposed to be $6. I'm not going to Superstore now because I can't afford it. I'm not even eating it.
It's actually a gorgeous fucking day today. Like, this is a beach day for me. You know, like 16 degrees Celsius. It's not hot. It's like beautiful. A little gust of wind. It's kind of nice.
Family size.
So I bet Em $100 if I can have her phone on my head for the whole time we're at Superstore.
You did not bet me $100.
Well, I'm doing it right now. If I can have her phone on my head the whole time we're at Superstore and I don't drop it, I get $100 when we leave.
I get $100?
No, I do.
This is really good, yeah.
Holy fuck, look at this selection right now. Too bad I don't have cereal on my plan.
I don't know what kind of cereal I want. I have cereal on my plan. I get 2 cups.
Wow.
I decided on the caramel toast crunch.
Nice.
Hopefully it lasts me the whole week.
Definitely gonna try that.
Hopefully it lasts me the whole week.
Alright, we're gonna stock up on rice cakes. I got those in my meal plan right now. What are these?
Original?
Are they just plain?
Yeah.
That's disgusting.
They only have white cheddar, caramel,
2 chocolate.
and plain.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3 caramel chocolate. And then, okay. I got 6 bags of rice cakes. And now we're getting Em's muffins. What'd you choose?
Carrot muffin.
Carrot muffin. Ew. It's gross. And now we get the fuck out of here. So the total comes to 29.58. I thought you said 90. Okay, back home. Grocery. Yeah, speak English, Alex. Grocery haul complete. This is.
No, we haven't even started the grocery haul yet.
What do you mean?
Grocery haul? We haven't started the grocery haul yet.
This is my version of grocery haul. This is as good as the
Grocery shopping is complete.
Yeah, grocery shopping is complete. Here's the haul. Eggs, beef. This is my stuff actually. So I got beef, I got eggs, kiwi, got white bread, got egg whites, got 6 packs of
Rice
cakes. Because I have 1 sleeve a day, so it doesn't last me very long. But yeah, this is gonna last about a week. I didn't get chicken. Just gonna get that from work tomorrow. And yeah, this is what I eat for days on end to look like this. After this, we're gonna put all this shit away. And we are going, where are we going?
We don't know yet.
We're gonna go to the seawall in Vancouver and we're gonna go for a little rollerblading adventure. Because Em's really good at rollerblading and she's gonna teach me.
Singing in harmony.
Alright, so we arrived in downtown Vancouver and we are going to be rollerblading the seawall. For those of you that know what that is.
Nobody knows what that is.
And Emily's gonna teach me how to rollerblade today.
He's never rollerbladed in his life.
No.
He doesn't know how, guys.
the first like 5 minutes?
Awful.
Awful?
Yes.
Why?
I fucking hate this bullshit.
Why? This is so much fun. Look at this view. People around.
It'd be so much more beautiful if we were walking.
If we were walking?
Yeah.
Yeah, but then you know how much I have to walk, and walking blows like this. It's like walking on wheels, basically.
This is not walking on wheels.
Essentially, it is.
If you go like this.
It's like you have shoes on
No.
and with wheels. What do you mean? Let's go. Where are you going?
I'm teaching you about it.
Yeah. What are you teaching me? You gotta go down there. That's the bike one. Yeah, yeah. Look at this beautiful view. Yosemite. Stop for a little break, a little meal time. Ground beef, rice. And look at that fucking view. I got ginger and I'm going.
Are you talking about me?
Yeah. And a bit of the ocean. Like you and the sun, like on my. Look at the calf pump. Look at these. Shoo. So babe, for the first rollerblading run of the year, what would you rate that on a scale of 1 to 10?
Like a 7.3.
You talking about your skill or like your experience?
My experience.
Your experience. Oh, I give it like a 7. It's a little colder out for shorts and a t-shirt. But yeah, we're just gonna hang around on this bench now and watch the sunset and head back home to eat more food. So, just got home from a fairly long day. It's only like 8 p.m. now, it's early. But for the rest of my day, I'm probably not gonna get up too much. Just eat some food and watch some Netflix. So, if you guys like that kind of lifestyle stuff, let me know. Comments, let me know what kind of other shit you guys want to see. Full days of eating. I have a couple videos planned coming up for the next couple weeks. But yeah, don't forget, new videos every Sunday, so make sure to subscribe, like, comment, turn on post notifications so you know when I post. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.